Welcome to our English speaking course, where we aim to enhance your communication skills and boost your confidence in speaking English. This video serves as an introduction to the course, emphasizing the significance of mastering spoken English in today's globalized world. Whether for personal growth, career advancement, or social interactions, effective communication is essential. Practicing English in your daily routines can significantly improve your fluency and comprehension. By incorporating English into your everyday activities, like conversing with friends, watching movies, or even thinking in English, you create a natural learning environment that fosters improvement. We encourage you to seize every opportunity to speak, as practice is the key to becoming proficient. This course is designed to be interactive and engaging, motivating you to participate actively. We believe that learning should be enjoyable, and we will provide you with various exercises and activities that make speaking English fun and relatable. Remember, every small step you take in practicing English contributes to your overall progress. So, let's embark on this journey together, where you will not only learn the language, but also gain the confidence to express yourself clearly and effectively. Join us in this exciting adventure, and let's unlock the doors to new opportunities through the power of spoken English. Your participation is crucial, and we can't wait to see you thrive as you enhance your English speaking skills. On day one of our English speaking course, we focused on several key points that set the foundation for your journey toward fluency. One of the most important aspects we discussed was the significance of self-affirmation in enhancing your speaking skills. Believing in your ability to communicate effectively can greatly impact your confidence and willingness to practice. We encourage participants to use positive affirmations such as, "I am becoming a better English speaker every day," or "I can express my thoughts clearly in English." These statements can help reinforce a positive mindset as you progress. Additionally, we provided practical examples of sentences that you can incorporate into your daily activities. For instance, try saying, "I enjoy reading English books while you engage in your reading routine." Or, "I will practice speaking English with my friends today when planning social interactions." These simple yet effective sentences can seamlessly integrate English into your everyday life. We emphasize the importance of making English a part of your routine, whether it's through speaking, listening, or writing. By doing so, you create a consistent practice environment that fosters improvement. Remember, the more you use English in your daily activities, the more comfortable and proficient you will become. We encourage you to embrace these practices and make English a natural part of your life. Together, let's build a strong foundation for your English-speaking skills as we move forward in this course. On day 2 of our English-speaking course, we placed a strong emphasis on the importance of pronunciation for effective communication. Clear pronunciation is crucial because it ensures that your message is understood by others, reducing the chances of miscommunication. When words are pronounced correctly, listeners can grasp your ideas more easily, which is essential in both personal and professional interactions. To help you improve your pronunciation, we shared several practical tips. One effective method is to listen to native speakers through podcasts, movies, or music, and mimic their pronunciation and intonation. This practice not only helps you understand the rhythm of the language, but also allows you to adopt the correct sounds. Additionally, we encourage participants to record themselves speaking and listen back to identify areas for improvement. This self-assessment can be incredibly beneficial in recognizing pronunciation patterns that may need adjustment. We also highlighted the importance of focusing on speaking clarity. It's not just about saying the right words. It's about ensuring that each word is articulated clearly. We urged viewers to slow down their speech when practicing, as this can significantly enhance clarity and give you time to think about your pronunciation. By paying attention to how you pronounce words, you will build a strong foundation for effective communication. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with consistent effort, you will see improvement in your pronunciation skills. Let's continue to work together to enhance your speaking abilities. On day 3 of our English speaking course, we introduced a variety of engaging activities and exercises designed to enhance your speaking skills. One of the key focuses was encouraging participants to verbalize their actions in English throughout their daily routines. This practice not only reinforces language learning, but also helps you become more comfortable speaking spontaneously. For example, while cooking, you might say, "I am chopping vegetables," or "I will boil the water now." Similarly, when getting ready in the morning, you can verbalize, "I am brushing my teeth," or "I am choosing my outfit." These simple sentences can transform mundane tasks into valuable speaking practice. We also incorporated exercises that involved role-playing common scenarios, such as ordering food at a restaurant or asking for directions. This interactive approach allows you to practice speaking in context, making it easier to recall phrases when needed. Speaking out loud during these activities has numerous benefits for fluency. It helps you develop muscle memory for pronunciation and intonation, making it easier to express yourself naturally in conversations. Additionally, verbalizing your thoughts can boost your confidence as you become accustomed to articulating your ideas in English. We encourage viewers to make this practice a daily habit, as the more you speak out loud, the more fluent and comfortable you will become. Remember, every opportunity to verbalize your actions is a step toward mastering English speaking skills. Let's keep building on this momentum together. On day 4 of our English speaking course, we are excited to introduce a range of content and objectives aimed at enhancing your spontaneous speaking abilities. One of the key strategies we will focus on is developing techniques that encourage you to think and respond quickly in English. This skill is essential for engaging in natural conversations, and we will explore various methods to help you achieve this. We understand that many learners often have questions about the duration of learning English. While the timeline can vary based on individual commitment and practice, we emphasize that consistent effort and immersion in the language can lead to significant progress over time. It's important to remember that every learner's journey is unique, and patience is key. To prepare you for practical exercises designed to boost your confidence, we will introduce activities that simulate real-life conversations. These exercises will encourage you to speak without overthinking, allowing you to express your thoughts more freely. We will also incorporate games and prompts that challenge you to respond spontaneously, making the learning process enjoyable and interactive. By the end of the day, you will have a clearer understanding of how to enhance your speaking skills in everyday situations. We encourage you to embrace these strategies and participate actively in the exercises, as they are designed to empower you and build your confidence in speaking English. Let's dive into this exciting day of learning and growth together. Now let's engage in a simulated conversation exercise that will help you practice your speaking skills. Imagine 2 friends, Alex and Jamie, meeting at a cafe. The dialogue goes like this. Alex: "Hey Jamie, how have you been?" Jamie: "Hi Alex, I've been great, thanks. I just started a new job. How about you?" Alex: "That's awesome. I'm still at the same place, but I'm learning a lot. What do you like most about your new job?" Jamie: "I love the team. Everyone is so supportive and the projects are really interesting. What about your work?" Alex: "I enjoy it too, especially the challenges. It keeps me motivated." Now, I encourage you to repeat and practice the sentences provided in this dialogue. Speaking out loud will help reinforce your pronunciation and fluency. For instance, try saying, "I just started a new job," or "I enjoy it too," especially the challenges. As you practice, remember the importance of thinking in English during conversations. This will help you respond more naturally and quickly, reducing the need to translate from your native language. The more you immerse yourself in English, the easier it will become to express your thoughts spontaneously. So, take a moment to practice this dialogue, and don't hesitate to add your own variations. Engaging in these exercises will significantly enhance your speaking skills and boost your confidence in real-life conversations. In this section, we will explore the grammatical structures commonly used in conversations, with a particular focus on conditional sentences and their importance in effective communication. Conditional sentences are essential because they allow us to express possibilities, hypothetical situations, and consequences. They typically follow an if-then structure, which helps clarify the relationship between conditions and outcomes. For example, you might say, "If it rains, I will stay indoors." This sentence clearly indicates that staying indoors is contingent upon the condition of rain. There are various ways to express similar ideas using different conditional forms. For instance, you could say, "Should it rain, I will stay indoors." Or, "In case it rains, I will stay indoors." Each of these sentences conveys the same idea but uses different grammatical structures to do so. This flexibility in expression is crucial for enhancing your conversational skills, as it allows you to convey nuances in meaning. As you practice speaking, I encourage you to focus on sentence structure for clarity. Clear and well-structured sentences make it easier for your listeners to understand your message. Pay attention to how you form your sentences, especially when using conditionals. By mastering these grammatical structures, you will not only improve your fluency, but also enhance your ability to communicate effectively in various situations. So, let's continue to practice and refine our understanding of these important grammatical elements in our conversations. Building confidence in speaking English is a crucial aspect of becoming a proficient communicator. One of the most effective strategies is to practice speaking without the fear of making mistakes. Remember, everyone makes errors while learning a new language, and mistakes are valuable learning opportunities. Embrace them as part of your journey, and don't let the fear of being incorrect hold you back. The more you speak, the more comfortable you will become. Another important strategy is to develop the ability to respond quickly in conversations. To achieve this, try engaging in activities that require spontaneous speaking, such as role-playing or participating in discussion groups. You can also practice with a friend or language partner, where you take turns asking each other questions and responding without overthinking. This will help you become more adept at thinking on your feet and expressing your thoughts more fluidly. Consistent practice is key to improvement. Set aside time each day to speak English, whether it's through conversations, reading aloud, or even talking to yourself. The more you immerse yourself in the language, the more natural it will feel. Consider keeping a journal where you write down your thoughts in English and then read them aloud. This not only reinforces your vocabulary, but also builds your confidence in articulating your ideas. By incorporating these strategies into your routine, you will gradually build the confidence needed to speak English effectively. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with time, you will see significant progress in your speaking abilities. As we wrap up this video, let's recap the key takeaways from our English speaking course. We began by emphasizing the importance of self-affirmation and consistent practice in enhancing your speaking skills. We explored pronunciation techniques and the significance of clear communication, followed by engaging activities that encouraged you to verbalize your daily actions in English. We also discussed grammatical structures, particularly conditional sentences, and how they can enrich your conversations. Finally, we shared strategies for building confidence, highlighting the need to practice without fear of mistakes and to respond quickly in conversations. We hope you found these insights valuable and that they inspire you to continue your journey toward fluency. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with friends who may also benefit from these lessons. Your support helps us create more content and reach a wider audience eager to learn English. Additionally, we invite you to explore more resources on our channel for further learning. We have a variety of videos covering different aspects of English speaking, grammar, vocabulary, and practical exercises that can help you improve even more. Engaging with our content will not only enhance your skills, but also keep you motivated on your language learning journey. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep practicing, and remember that every step you take brings you closer to mastering